the laziest way for beginners to make money online in 2024. So in this video, I'm really going to be breaking down what's going to be the easiest method for you to be able to make money as a beginner online. Before I kind of get into that, my name's Andy Mattis. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content that I'm dropping every single week on how you can make money online so you can sack your boss and live a true life of passion, freedom, and fulfillment. Just as a bit of social proof, I've been able to generate sales like this, repeatedly over and over again for my business using this lazy method, which I'm about to share with you in this video in just a second. So the laziest way for beginners to be able to make money online in 2024 is a business model called affiliate marketing. Okay. And why is affiliate marketing the best business model for you to start with? It's basically simply because you're selling other people's proven products. So you don't really have to focus on the customer support. You don't have to focus on actually creating the product yourself. You literally just sell other people's products and then earn a commission when a sale is made, which makes it the laziest method for you to be able to make money online in 2024. So what will happen is you will sign up for an affiliate program and you will be given something called a unique affiliate link. Now, when somebody clicks on that link, what will happen is it will install a cookie into that person's browser. And if that person goes over onto the sales page and makes a purchase, then that sale is now coded to you. Therefore, you make a commission from that sale. So it's simply just selling other people's digital products and earning a percentage of the sale when a sale is made. Really simple, guys. The method that I recommend for promoting these products, which is going to be the laziest way for you to be able to do it, is something called attraction marketing. So what is attraction marketing? Attraction marketing is basically just figuring out how you can get people to come towards you versus you having to chase them down. So we're not doing any of that Facebook Messenger strategy. We're not doing any sort of outreach or anything like that. What we're doing is we're putting pieces of content out there in the marketplace, and then we're basically using bait. So you just think about a fishing reel, for example. You throw the reel out with your bait, and then you wait for somebody to bite, which is basically going to be, your audience, and then you basically reel them in with the content that we want to create, right? So we essentially just put a piece of content out there and then wait for them to come to us versus us having to chase them down. Now, there are two types of different methods which we can use to make this happen, and they are short form and long form content. So short form content are going to be videos such as TikToks, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And these are short videos which are up to 60 seconds long, and you simply just put them out and you wait for somebody to bite. And when they bite, you're just going to send traffic to your offer. And if they make a purchase, then you're going to be making a sale from that purchase, right? The next method I want to talk about is long form video content, which is a little bit like the video that you're watching right now. Typically going to go into YouTube videos, which are over 60 seconds long. And again, really simple. We just put the content out there, guys, and then we wait for somebody to bite. We'll obviously have links and stuff down in the description of our YouTube videos. And when people click on these links, it's going to be sending traffic to our offers. And if somebody clicks on our link and goes and makes a purchase, then that's going to be making a sell for us, and we're going to be able to generate affiliate commissions doing it that way. And this is basically the laziest way for you to be able to make money online in 2024, because you're simply just selling other people's products. You're not creating the products. You don't have to worry about any of the customer support or anything like that. And then you're using something called attraction marketing, where you're putting content out there, but then you're waiting for people to come towards you, which is going to be the laziest way for you to be able to make money online in 2024. Now, if any of you do want more information on how exactly to start, grow, and scale your affiliate marketing business to 6 figures, then I do recommend clicking on the first link down in the description and checking out the free training that I've put together on that. My name's Andy Mattis, and I'm out.